Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm going to show you something I was excited to see today. It's by Chinook RV. This is their Bayside model. This is one of their B van conversions. And it has some pretty impressive items to look at overall if you're in that B market. Now, it is built on the Transit platform, which we all know is a very solid platform. When we look up, we can see our Girard awning, we can see some solar panels up top. You know, even the company name is etched right in the front just to give it that uniqueness, which is really neat to see. But the real secrets are inside. We bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV. Let's go take a look. As we walk inside, you're going to notice the nice step plates in order to get in. You have this great screen that allows lots of fresh air in but keeps the bugs out, and it's held together magnetically, which is a nice touch. So gone are the zippers. As we make our way in, first thing you're going to see is solid surface countertops. Here's our sink. It's a nice big sink. We've got a countertop extension here, some storage down below, and then on the opposite side we have our fridge up top, nice large fridge, and then freezer drawer for our freezer items. Above that we have our microwave, and then we have some pantry storage and or wardrobe storage. You choose which way you'd like to use it because there's adjustable shelf settings as well as a hanging rod there. As we make our way back, and I'll pan around for you, you'll notice the amount of storage cabinets around, and they're very nicely finished, being a little bit different than what everybody else is doing in the marketplace. We're going to open up some of these storage compartments so you can actually get a good look at the storage itself. I do like their choice of materials. The leather seating faces with the quilting in them really gives this an elegant look. This is your convertible bed area for sleeping. Nice large windows with shades for privacy, and it's all finished in nicely to really show you that aspect of quality. TV on board for those rainy days or for that movie that you want to catch. But what I really like that was different in this unit, here's your washroom in the back. It runs side to side of the van, but it feels more spacious than most. And the reason it does is it's not a wet bath that they've chosen to use in the design. Your toilet's here to the side, and you have a full separate shower in a B, where traditionally we see this as a wet bath. Why has someone not thought about this before? Great little idea. Totally separate shower, toilet separate from that, and you don't have a whole area that is getting soaked. Then the back you can open up. Again, you have this great screen, and it's just magnetically held so you can walk right through if need be. Have the door open, and as you look at the back, you'll notice there are spots to actually put some storage. Our disconnect is right back here, as well as there's a compartment here to hold your power cord and some other gear if you like. Really thinking. This is what we like to see here at the channel, is products that are different, really thinking design forward. There's a ladder to get up to the roof to either access your equipment or gear that you have stowed, and it's mounted to the side where it's out of the way but easily to access, and you're not having to mount and dismount it like I've seen on a few units. So if you're in the market for a B, I hope this has made you maybe rethink some of what is possible in the B market with the Bayside by Chinook RV. Thank you to Chinook RV for giving us access to this unit and several other units. Check for those videos coming up. Bruno from RVing TV saying thank you to you, our viewers, for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate it. And make sure that you live life to the fullest each and every day, and we'll see you out in the campgrounds. Take care.